Hi, I'm Bruce Denson, and if you're watching this video, it's because you got my letter and you're wondering what you can do to save your license after a DUI arrest. So let me break down this first important decision for you. This ticket you got, this DUI ticket, that acts as your driver's license for 10 days. If you do nothing, on the 10th day, you're going to lose your license for either 30 or 90 days, depending on whether you blew or didn't blow. So we need to decide what to do in order to avoid that suspension. You have two options. One, you can request a DMV hearing, and two, you can waive the hearing. They both have advantages and disadvantages, so let's talk about each of those. If you request a DMV hearing, they're going to give you a 42-day permit, and you're going to be allowed to drive for 42 days, business purposes only, and then we're going to have a hearing. It gives us the unique opportunity to get an early look at the police reports and, importantly, to subpoena the police officers in and talk to them about your arrest. It's the only real opportunity we have to get their statement under oath, and it's an early look and can set up the defense for the rest of the case. Now, the downside of requesting a DMV hearing is we often lose these hearings. They're very limited in their scope. So it's likely that on that 42nd day, you're either going to lose your license for 30 days if you blew over the limit or 90 days if you refused. But it's worth taking that chance in order to get more evidence and present a better defense in your case. And sometimes we do win those cases, those DMV hearings. Your second option is to waive the hearing. Now, in order to waive the hearing, you're going to have to sign up for DUI school, which isn't such a bad thing to get started on anyway. And then you go to the DMV office, which is the Clearwater office on the back of your ticket, and tell them you want to waive your hearing. That way, you're going to get a hardship license right away. You're never going to suffer that 30 or 90 day suspension, and you're going to keep driving until we can resolve your case in the criminal courts. So this first decision is very important. I hope this information helps you in making that decision. If you want to talk about it further with me, feel free to give me a call if you're interested in getting some help on the criminal part of your case and having somebody come with you to the courthouse. We can handle that. And if there's anything else we can do to answer any questions you have or help break this down into a manageable process for you, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks a lot.